Welcome to Aurora Hotel. This video demonstrates proper hotel front office operations from guest arrival to checkout, following professional hospitality standards. At Aurora Hotel, every guest is welcomed with warmth, courtesy, and professionalism from the very first step inside.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Aurora Hotel. May I assist with your luggage?
Yes, please.
You're very welcome, sir. Our front desk is just ahead. Please allow me to escort you.
The front desk serves as the heart of hotel operations, where reservations are verified, guest information is secured, and first impressions are made.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Aurora Hotel. How may I assist you today?
Good afternoon. I have a reservation under the name Gumban Jim.
Thank you, Mr. Gumban. May I see a valid ID for verification? Thank you. Please allow me a moment to check your reservation. Mr. Gumban, your reservation is confirmed for a deluxe room for 2 nights.
Yes, that is correct.
Okay, check-in time is at 2 p.m. and check-out is at 12 noon. Breakfast is served around 6 to 10 a.m. at our ground floor restaurant. Here is your key, card, and room 305. If you need assistance, please dial 0 from your room.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. May I assist you to the room?
Guest service continues throughout the stay. Quick and polite responses ensure guest comfort and satisfaction.
Good evening. This is Gumban Jim from room 305. I would like to request an extra 2 pillow, please.
Good evening, Mr. Gumban. Certainly, I have that delivered to your room shortly.
Good evening, sir. Is your 2 extra pillow? Is there anything else can I assist you with?
No, thank you.
My pleasure. Enjoy your stay, sir.
Listening to guest concerns and responding properly ensures a positive guest experience.
Good evening. This is Mr. Jim from room 305. I'd like to report my air condition is too cold. Could you please assist me? Thank you.
I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience, Mr. Gumban. Allow me to inform our manager on duty.
Good morning, Mr. Gumban. Thank you for informing us. We can adjust the temperature immediately.
Adjusting my room temperature is just fine.
Certainly, we'll take care of it right away.
Thank you. Good morning. I would like to check out.
Good morning, Mr. Gumban. May I have your room number, please? Here's your billing statement. Kindly review the charges.
Okay, everything is look correct.
Sir, how would you like to settle your payment? Cash or card?
Card, please. Here you go.
Thank you. Your payment has been successfully proceeded. Thank you for staying with us. We hope to welcome you again soon.
Have a safe and pleasant journey, sir. Sir, luggage.
At Aurora Hotel, every interaction reflects our dedication to service excellence. From arrival to departure, our front office team ensures each guest feels valued, respected, and cared for.